what are we doing now? We are installing a new Renogy battery. Now, this is a solid state battery, and it's actually pretty cool. Now, Renogy puts out some good products. So now, we're gonna install this. The Pro S1 is currently the closest battery to a true solid state technology that is available for off-grid use. While officially classified as a semi-solid, its advanced composition and engineering places significantly closer to a full solid state technology than most other competitors on the market. Trying to stay warm. I've got the tarp over top of the tent or the truck to keep some of the heat in, and one in the back. I've got to switch some batteries around and stick in this Renogy battery. So this is what we have to do. So as you can see, we've got our little cubby here, and we are going to be replacing this battery here. And as you can see, it's behind all this. So I've got a few screws. I think one here, there's one, I think there's one hidden in, oh, there's another one. And then there's one up here somewhere. So we got to open this up, put in a battery, and yeah, we'll be hooked up. Okay. There. Now, Renogy's self-heating function automatically starts when the battery temperature drops below 41 Fahrenheit. That is 5 Celsius. And a charge source like solar or shore power is connected. They also have a Bluetooth connection. They also have your link connection. So this connection will actually tell you all the details as well about the battery. This Renogy battery offers an impressive 6,000 cycle life, meaning it can undergo thousands of charges and discharges before it even has any issues. That means this battery can last you 10, 15 years without any worries. Wow. Now, this is a 120 amp hour battery. I had a 200 in before, but I can put 2 of them in here and still have extra room and have 240 amps, more than I had before, and less space. Wow, I like this. Let's hook this thing up. The other thing they send you is 2 sizes, which is nice. So if you got a lot of stuff that you're hooking up, use the bigger ones. If you don't have a lot, use the smaller ones. This is actually really smart. I've never seen this before with any other batteries. That's cool. So what I did with my other batteries, I cut a hole in here so it wouldn't slide around. What Renogy has done, they created brackets, and they have the screw holes and everything already for it. So all I have to do is screw these in and screw these down, and we are good. I like this battery for its unique shape and its lighter weight. It was intentionally designed for under-seat placement in RVs, helping solve common space and weight limitations. One thing I really look at is for the long-term value of a battery. That is this reliable? Well, Renogy offers a 7-year product warranty. I like how well thought out this was. The Renogy battery is hooked up. Now, this is only 120 amp hours, where I did have 200. But you look at the space here, I could put another 1 or 2 in here, sacrifice a bit of my cubby space, and I've got more power than I did before. I love how this was thought out for wiring, so I don't have, because I don't have a lot of space up there. Now I bolted everything down, so that's nice and tight. I don't have to worry about this, but this also gives ventilation for underneath and everything else now. But this is awesome. So much more space. Love it. I don't know if this helps at all, but this is the size of the battery. So you can see the size of the battery. Here's one more battery. It shows you how much space. So right there, and I put another one in, and I've only taken away 1.5 inches, 2 inches roughly of extra space. And at that, I'd be running 360 amps at that point. That is just, holy cow. Compared to this one, I mean, but again, this is a 200 amp, but still, if I got 2 of these, like 2 of those ones, that's how much space. And I'm already over this 200 amp if I put 2 in. That's crazy. I love it. So my other battery came to there. This battery's way over there. And look how much space is above it too. Lots of breathability. This is awesome. And even if I put in 2 more, I still have space. Because I think I actually cut this thing past anyway for my little cubbies. That they would still be hidden and I would still have my cubby. That is awesome. Now, let's go look at the details. Okay. So this shows actually right here the percentage of what my battery is at. Before I had something else on my old battery, Renogy actually has this built into the battery. That is awesome. This battery is an IP67 rated battery. Now you may ask, what does that mean? That means it's a robust waterproof / dustproof sealed unit. This IP67 rating and the puncture / fire resistance translates directly into peace of mind for users living with the battery in a mobile or off-grid environment. Renogy thought of a lot of stuff, which is really cool, which I love. So let's see what we're at right now. So right now we're at 52%. We've had a lot of clouds and rain. So save, go into that. I think I still got to figure out the app. There we go. 52 shows you everything. I got no power pulling anything right now. There's no in apps or no, you can see nothing coming in right now either. So